Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss very much easy and interesting topic, and it is board work skill. So without any delay, let's start with its introduction. Blackboard is a teacher's most easily available tool in the classroom. It serves as teacher's ultimate friend and intimate companion during instructions. It is considered as ornament of the classroom that enhances the overall learning environment. It acts as written tangible document of the teacher's work and reflect their hard work and talent. So it is introduction of board work skill. Now let's discuss its meaning. So it is the effective skill of a teacher to make systematic and clear notes on the board. It is called chalkboard skill. Now let's discuss its importance. Our first point is clarity of subject matter. So it provides immediate written clarity and making complex subject easy to understand. Next is visual representation. So it is ideal for sketching diagrams, line art, graphs and maps to give student a clear visual understanding. Our third point is knowledge reinforcement. So it facilitates a quick cycle of teacher speaks, asks questions, student answers, and teacher note it down. So it reinforcing student knowledge instantly. So these are importance of board work skill. Now let's discuss strategic benefits. These points will help us to enhancing our classroom learning via chalkboard. Our first point is structured and systematic. So, Blackboard help us to keep the teaching process structured, sequential and well organized. Our second point is precision and variety. It introduces clarity, accuracy and creative variety into instructional practices. Our third point is attention. Blackboard help us to keep students' attention sharply focused on the most important points and definitions. Our fourth point is simplifying the unfamiliar words. Blackboard help us to simplify unfamiliar complex paragraphs, words, definitions, and theories for effortless comprehension. And our last point is long lasting impact. So we know it very well that visual impacts are more permanent than auditory ones. So students absorb written text much faster than spoken words. So these are the strategies which are helpful in our classroom. Now let's discuss core components of board work skill. First point is legibility of handwriting. So our handwriting should be clear, readable and well spaced characters. Second point is neatness in blackboard work. So it should be straight lines, proper spacing and organized formatting without any clutter. And the last point is appropriateness of blackboard work. So it should be relevance of the written content and highlighting key points accurately. So these are the components. So in a nutshell, in this video we have discussed what is board work skill, how it is important, which are the strategies to enhance our classroom learning, and we have also discussed components of board work skill. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.